single Kenyan talking. Nairobi Governor Dr Evans Kidero has sworn to take Senator Mike Sonko to court over the remarks Sonko made that triggered a violent confrontation in Parliament precinct today. The Senate Public Accounts Committee meeting was disrupted as a verbal exchange escalated and senators fought to keep the two from exchanging blows. Akisa Wandera reports on the not-so-honorable situation witnessed at the meeting.
It all started with Senator Mike Sonko making a presentation before the Senate Public Accounts Committee on illegal land rates in the city.
For purposes of us believing you even more.
Then, murder accusations rented the air.
These guys are even murdering innocent people, innocent Nairobians. They steal properties from innocent Nairobians, they kill them, and then Senator Mongare just wants to politicize this matter.
Nyamira County Senator Kennedy Mongare, however, interjected, terming Sonko's presentation as irrelevant and lacking evidence. Little did he know that the wrath would be directed towards him.
This is not Nyamira County.
No, Sonko.
I have the right, you cannot stop me from discharging my constitutional duties.
Senator Sonko.
So I am. I'm the senator.
It certainly took great effort to calm the irate senator down. But just when you thought the storm was over, they were at it again. But this time, Governor Kidero on his feet, sending the whole room of honorable members into disarray, with members of the media thrown out. Senator Mike Sonko now says he will raise his concerns with the Director of Public Prosecutions and have the matter investigated.
The family was thrown out. In the process, the wife was killed. I have a death certificate to confirm this. I have video clips to confirm this. I have medical documents to confirm it is indeed true that the wife was in India for medical treatment. She had a problem. She had a heart complication. So when she was evicted, in the process she was killed. But the guys who were hired to do the eviction, they were hired by the county government.
Governor Kidero, on the other hand, has threatened to go to court to sue Mike Sonko over the allegations made. He wants Sonko to produce evidence supporting his statements.
I think murder is a capital offense and is a capital crime. And anything like that, probably, and as the chairman told him, that was not the right forum to raise it. It should have been reported, should have been investigated, and charged with crime.
The incident comes about 3 years after a similar incident occurred at the City Hall, where the governor slapped Nairobi County Women Rep Rachel Shebesh after an altercation. Akisa Wandera, KTN News.